The Smart Spline tool is part of the drawing suite. It can be found in the left-hand toolbar just below the basic drawing elements. This tool allows you to combine splines and arcs very quickly. Now, if I click on a point and pull out, you'll see I have the control point there. If I just click and release, I will get a non-tangent point. So drop, pull out, I can control my tangency. If I decide that the last point that I put down is not what I wanted it to be, that I decide I don't want this one to be tangent, I can just click on it once I've got the mark indicating that I am over the point. I can click it and change it to a non-tangent point. If I have a non-tangent point followed by another non-tangent point, so I just click and release, I will end up creating a line. So I can create a whole series of line segments here. If I should decide that the last point that I put down, I don't want that, I can right click and click undo last vertex, which will eliminate the last point I put down. So let's turn this into a tangent point and then create a spline again here. Now there are two ways to end this tool. One is to right click and select end tool. I'm just going to go click and put another point here because I don't want to do that here. But the other option is to go to the start point, and this will close the figure, ending the tool. And this is the Smart Spline tool.